had scored 99.2 or 99.3 percentile, I still lacked the basic idea of what I wanted to do for an MBA. It's a record saying that you have learnt these things, and if you cannot trust me, then at least trust this piece of paper. But if you want to get into a niche,
Yeah.
then you don't need to depend on the education system. You depend on your own education. Right? You go and learn. When you come to my college, any student can bring anybody. Anybody can give any talk. Anybody can do any event. They are extremely empowering and open. It gets challenging, but then I think the time of authority has disappeared from this field.
Hello all, welcome to the brand new edition of Power Talks with KM. Today with me I have a very inspirational guy whom I have seen grow from a great inspirational teenager to a wonderful gentleman today. I have personally known him since like 4 to 5 years, and the way he has grown, he has evolved, and the way he has got revolution in his life and revolution in his in the life with people who are associated with him is awesome. I feel proud to introduce this person in front of you all. He is actually a CEO of a college. Just take it. He is a CEO of a college. He has been educated very fine. He has roamed all over the world in search of say a lot of information what could be put into the right use, and he is in the belief that education should change, the system of education should change. Let's listen more from him. It's great to have him over here. So hello Sambhav, welcome to Power Talks with KM. How are you and how do you feel?
Thank you. Very good. Very glad. Been watching your interviews. So finally I'm here. So it feels privileged. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much, Sambhav, for your time. It is our privilege to have you here. Sambhav, today let us start with the interview. Today we are talking about specifically about the education and your take on education. Okay, Sambhav. Before all of these things, you have got into this sector. I want to know what is that one thing for which you want to be known by the people and why.
Um, I, if I want to be known as by one profession, then that would be as a teacher. And if I have to be known without a profession, then it should be something like a mentor. My entire positioning, my entire day, my entire schedule revolves only around these things. Correct? What can I teach more? What can I help students in? How do I help them in entrepreneurship? How do I help them in their professional courses? Like the entire goal of a particular day, if I have 6 working hours, then my entire 6 working hours are only to figure out what more to teach. Right? So that's what I would be known for.
So you believe in constant value addition and you want to be known for that exponential value addition you're doing to the people, right?
That's all. That's all. That's all.
Thank you.
That's all.
That's a really great thought and very humble of you that you are having such a great vision, and wishing you all the best. Let's go ahead. Now you are a person who is known in Mysore to have started a college, you know. Some people were still studying in the college. They were looking at their campus and you were thinking in your mind to build your own campus. That is something great,
Yes.
Sambhav. So when did you decide to start a college and why did you decide to start a college?
So I basically got a 99.2 percentile in my entrance exam just after I finished my BBA. Right? And I had got selected for multiple interviews, correct, in IIM, Symbiosis, and IIT's MBA and stuff like that, correct. So I at least visited 7 or 8 institutions in India because of this process. Now, when I visited these institutions, I realized one thing, that though I had scored 99.2 or 99.3 percentile, I still lacked the basic idea of what I wanted to do for an MBA. Correct. I would
Okay.
be able to crack the interview because I scored well. I would be able to crack the interview because I had good communication skills. But then I still wasn't sure what specialization I would want to take.
Okay.
And that made me realize that if in 3 years I have not been able to figure this out,
Oh.
that means there's some fundamental problem around me and for myself. Correct. Like 3 years of education and you still don't know what your interest is. So that's where I realized that this has to be fixed. And then when I started traveling, I realized that it's not a unique problem. It's a problem of everybody's life, everywhere. Yeah, correct. So, and there are people who have figured it out. So I learned from them and started my own stuff in Mysore.
Just to tell you, those who people figure that out are only the top 4% people functioning in this world. Okay.
Agreed, 100%. Yeah, I have photos of all those who have figured out. All
So
those people who have figured it out.
you're lucky, I should say. So now you're talking about college and establishing a college. Somehow, what should be the goal of education and qualification? Somewhere I believe that schooling is different, education is different, and qualification is different. I believe that. But what should be the goal of education and qualification in your perspective?
So education takes you. Um, so when you are trying and educating yourself, or when you are trying and learning something, correct. The goal of that should only be constant improvement. That too, one step at a time. Correct. So education is something that does not change your life completely. The biggest problem of perception that people have is that they feel if they get into this college or if they get into this course, their life will change completely. Right? That's not the fact. The fact is, it might change, but it might change just 1%, and that should be good enough. What qualification will do is it will make your life easier.
Okay.
As simple as that. It's a record saying that you have learned these things, and if you cannot trust me, then at least trust this piece of paper.
Oh,
As simple as that.
okay.
A human being is not going to. If I say I'm an expert in management,
Okay.
they will be like, who is Sambhav Shah? But if University of Mysore says Sambhav Shah has a doctorate in management,
Okay.
then they will be like, okay, there is somebody who has given him that particular position. He has studied that. So you should treat qualification to boost your career and
Okay.
to provide a proof for people who don't know you.
Okay.
Once they know you, your qualification doesn't matter.
Okay. Great, great. The way you told that qualification adds credibility to your profile. That is what is I understand from it.
That's it. And
Uh,
only until they know you.
only until
एक
then.
बार पता चल गया
Okay.
एक बार पता चल गया आप कौन हो उसके बाद आपका PhD आपका MBA आपका there is no value of anything. Until they know you, there is value. After that, it is just you. That's all.
So your certificate is the icebreaker. No, that certificate is the
That's
icebreaker.
all. That's all. That's all. That's all. Perfect term. That's all.
So Sambhav, coming ahead, let's go deeper into this because I'm loving this conversation and your perspective. People believe that Indian education lags behind, that is the basic belief people are living with. Now, I want to know, why do people feel it and what do you feel about this?
Thank you so much for coming on to this video. There are 3 important things I would want you to do. The first thing is you will have to share this video on your wall. At least one out of those 500 to 5,000 friends you have got will be benefited out of it. The second thing is take action. If at all there is any action I want you to take via this video, I will be mentioning it or I will be speaking about it in this video, and please do take that action. It would be beneficial for many people. And the third thing is you will have to like and subscribe this channel and the page. Why? Because it makes YouTube and Facebook feel that this is a very important page and they give us automatic promotions. And also do not forget to comment about your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy the interview.
So since we are in India and we are talking about India, we say Indian education is lacking behind. If you go to US also people say US education is lacking behind.
Okay.
You go to London also people say London education is lacking behind. Correct? Anywhere in the world, there is no country other than a few ones. Like for example, in US, maybe a small college which would be confident that education is not lacking. Right? Education is something that is always going to be lacking. Now, the reason why I say it is always going to be lacking is because the speed of learning is very slow in humans. And because of that, the speed of teaching is even more slower. So, for example, आपने अभी Facebook video ad बनाया. Now, for me to teach that in my classroom, I first have to become an expert.
Okay.
Then I have to write a book on it.
Okay.
And then I have to explain it to my students.
Okay.
Now, this process is always going to take time.
Okay.
So don't depend on Indian education system for getting all your needs covered.
Okay.
Like, you should depend on Indian education system for the understanding of a broader perspective. But if you want to get into a niche,
Yeah.
then you don't need to depend on the education system. You depend on your own education, right? You you go and learn, and stop blaming the country, stop blaming the colleges, stop blaming the politicians. Correct? We are all doing what we can,
Yes.
and there is a limit to it.
Okay.
I cannot learn Facebook ads within one day and teach you that.
Great, great. So what I understand from this small talk of yours is don't try to become a victim of circumstances. Be a hero.
Simple,
Yes, just
simple,
go and be a
simple.
hero. And the way you
Yeah,
spoke about
stop blaming everyone around you, right?
why become a victim. Okay. And the second
Simple.
thing is you told nicely about education. See, I have a small fact for all our viewers. Education, they say that information doubles in every 18 months. So what you have learned 1.5 years back is obsolete today. Simple.
Correct.
So you need to upgrade
Agreed.
yourself every day to be relevant to this world. So talking about Sambhav, and I was so engrossed with his talks that I just forgot to show you about his college. So you will have to go and check the way his college is functioning. I'll be putting the links below this interview. I'll just show you the way his website is. You know, it's an awesome website. Share screen. Okay. Cresta School. Okay, see, this is his college web page. So you can go over here and check everything, and this college is doing exceptionally well. I think he started with 16 students and now we have 200 students. Highly inspiring, Sambhav. And the campus is such an awesome campus. You know, it breaks our heart that we did not have this campus when we studied. Anyways, I didn't go to college, so it's okay. So let's come back to the interview. So everybody, please do check this website. I'll be putting the link below the interview. So coming back to stop share, coming back to our interview. Somehow, let's get to the practical aspects. We spoke about education, we spoke about people, we spoke about everything. Now you are very young, Somehow. This is the fact, and this cannot be changed. You cannot be aged. So now what I want to understand is it's a problem to have authority when you are young. You know, there are people around you in this dimension where you're working who are almost everybody is elder than you because everybody is experienced. How do you
Yeah.
command
Double my
authority?
age. Always double
your
my age.
double your age.
Everybody around me is double my age. It is very challenging.
Okay.
To establish authority is extremely challenging. But what I realized is that there are two things. One is if you want to establish authority, correct, then it is challenging. But in my case, I never wanted to establish authority. I was very simple. My entire goal of education, my entire goal of getting into this was empowerment against authority. I hated authority.
Okay.
Correct. That's why my education was not good, because I would always have to depend on somebody giving a okay for me to do an event, somebody giving an okay for me to bring somebody to the campus. Correct. When you come to my college, any student can bring anybody. Anybody can give any talk. Anybody can do any event. We are extremely empowering and open. It gets challenging, but then I think the time of authority has disappeared from this world. Now people want people who can help each other, not people who can command on each other.
So
Right?
you mean
And I think that's how
that
we should be.
that you mean that competition is no more. It is about collaboration today.
Collaboration, only collaboration, and nobody is going to listen to you unless you're going to help them. Right? And if you're not helping them, they should not listen to you. So as simple as that. If I'm not helping a teacher in my college advance their career, then why should they listen to me? What is the use of being the CEO, right?
Yes. So when you're talking this thing, I can just relate this thing to something called a sale. Okay, sale is something where there is an exchange. So the value which you give should always be more than the price you have paid, right?
Simple.
So start
Simple.
adding value to people's life, and
That's
people
all,
will
that's all.
automatically get sold to you.
Your authority, your direction, your command, all that will follow. Correct.
Wonderful.
It's just a matter of time. It's just
Wonderful.
a matter of time.
Wonderful, Sambhav.
But
Wonderful.
one instance I should tell you.
Yeah.
So I'm affiliated to University of Mysore.
Yeah.
Correct. The first time I went to University of Mysore with the idea of opening a college,
Okay.
when I was talking to them, they assumed I'm a student who has come down to ask for his marks card.
Oh, okay.
So there was full confusion. There was full confusion in University of Mysore. Who is this boy? What does he want from us? Why is he coming and irritating us? And so I had to sit with the director. I had to tell him, sir, forget my age, remove everything from your mind. I want to open a college.
Okay.
This is how I want to open the college. Can you help me doing this? After that, he's like, first in college I tappa. I was like, yes, sir, over. So yeah, University of Mysore was a challenge because they never took me seriously, and it's okay. And it's okay. I never had a problem with that.
Yes, yes, it's a fun. So
Yeah,
coming back, he's no more a boy. He's a great gentleman. I think you should follow him everywhere. You should follow his Instagram page. I'll be giving you the link for his website and Instagram. Just follow him. You'll be really inspired by this guy. Just see the background of his this thing. I can see Shah Rukh Khan. I can see Abdul Kalam. And yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Dhoni, is it Dhoni, Abraham Lincoln,
Dhoni,
Elon Musk, Sadhguru? Oh
Dwayne
my God.
Johnson, Elon Musk, Sadhguru, like all of us.
Wow, 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 wow. Great, great,
Yeah,
Sambhav. Really inspirational. Thank you so much. So, viewers, this is what you got to do, okay? Follow great people, you'll become great one day. Coming
yeah,
down to our
yeah,
interview,
yeah.
Sambhav, coming back to our interview, I have always thought about this paradox. I have mentored and coached and trained many people, okay? And I've been speaking to so many people and kids, interview skills, that, this, and all. There is always a small paradox in our society, okay? What I believe is, you must be stressed in college, and after coming out of your college you must be stress free living your life. That is what is college meant for, okay?
Correct.
But majority, those 96%, forget those top 4%, majority 96%, they go and enjoy their college and they're stressed
The
out in their
rest
life.
for the rest of their life. Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
what do you want to talk about this?
As far, I cannot speak for other colleges, but as far as my college is concerned, correct. You can ask my students. You will find them on Facebook, Instagram, and wherever. You can ask my students.
Okay.
We fight. We fight a lot. I fight a lot with my students.
Okay.
Correct. And they go crying outside sometimes. Uh, I feel sad sometimes. Correct. There's a lot of emotional exchange between me and the students
Okay.
all the time. Now, the reason I do this is I can make their life much easier. Right. But the reason I do this is because college is a safe place. You can make mistakes and nobody will care. And that is what you should use college for. Correct. Keep failing. 150 times you keep failing. Try and open a new business, fail. Again, try and do some course, fail. You fail 100 times, nobody is going to ask you anything. My problem is with students who don't even attempt.
Okay.
My problem is with students who don't even attempt. There's no problem in failing. You start a business, you start a campus venture inside the college, and you fail in that campus venture. I might lose some money. The student might lose some money. It might be a process. The catch is the cost of not doing a campus venture is higher than doing a campus venture and failing in it. As simple as that.
Superb.
So करना ही है.
करना ही so
करना ही है. कुछ
करना
भी
ही
करो.
है. And one more
करना
thing,
ही
the
है.
secret to success is not, as you told, it's about failing faster. करके fail हो जाओ, करके
बस.
fail हो जाओ, करके fail हो जाओ, fail
बस.
faster.
Correct. कोई किसी को see, it sometimes happens that the student, when he joins the college, he would believe that he wants to become a CA, a chartered accountant, or a company secretary. Say in the first year he attempts and he fails.
Okay.
He has the second year to start a business in the college. Say he starts in the second year and he again fails.
Okay.
Still in the third year, he has an opportunity to fix his interview skills and get into a job.
So amazing.
Simple.
Amazing. So
Correct ना? तो ये कोशिश करते रहना है बस.
कोशिश जारी है. No, amazing. I am really inspired. I want to do graduation. Can I come like to your college?
I sometimes wish, but sorry. So there's a rule. That is one problem of Indian education system. Since you asked, so there's a rule. You cannot do undergraduation twice in India.
Yes. Wonderful. So
There's
coming to your college seems really interesting, exciting. I feel like that filmy glamour in your college, where it is real. It's not just glamour and showcase. It is just real. So I love that part of yours. Now coming to Cresta, what is Cresta and why is Cresta in your life?
So I started this college, and right now my entire focus is that I believe that only entrepreneurship can solve problems of this world.
Okay.
Right. There's no other way. There's no other way that this country's economy is going to improve. There's no other way that this society is going to improve. There's no other way that this city is going to improve.
Okay.
Like, we need more businesses.
Okay.
Rather than spending 45 lakhs on an MBA somewhere in UK or US, I suggest take that 45 lakh rupees and start a bakery near my college. I'll help you do that. And I promise you that will be more fulfilling. One. Second, it will be more empowering. Third, you will be a job creator rather than a job seeker. And fourth, people will appreciate what you've given them to eat. At least some student will come and tell you, sir, aapka puff acha hai.
Yes.
And that's enough for you to grow in life, correct? You want to start, you start from there.
Okay.
And that's all I try and figure out inside the college. Kaise karke in bachchon ko at least start somewhere, correct? Don't start big, but start somewhere.
Sambhav, I have a doubt. Is your college an educational institution or a research organization?
It is more research. It is more research. It is more research. It is more
Wonderful,
research.
wonderful.
We send them. I send them to the Sprout box. Apna Mall of Mysore mein there's a what do you say? There's an incubation center or a
Okay.
co-working space in Mall of Mysore. Any co-working space in Mysore, we send them over there. We take
Okay.
classes over there.
Okay.
Instead of taking a class in our classroom, we go and take classes over there sometimes.
Okay.
Simple idea being that if you see these people around you doing so much work, at least someday you will feel like doing it.
Yes, it's right. It's right. So somewhere you are giving a checkmate to the traditional way of education. Meanwhile, you're making sure that the future is secured and there is a flow of income in a person's life. This is what Cresta is doing.
Correct. Flow of income and not to spend the income that they earn.
No, my
Right,
question. The next
so-
question is that. Next question is that.
Yeah, don't waste your money. Correct. We have to tell you on that.
You are very fast, Sambhav. Okay. My next question to you, Sambhav, is what is your take on life as an individual? Forget Cresta now. Let's come to Sambhav Shah. Should we earn more or spend less? What do you feel?
Okay. Okay. So I'll put this in one simple perspective. Correct. I'm the worst person in financial literacy. I have zero financial literacy.
Okay.
What I mean by zero financial literacy is that if somebody gives me 1 lakh, the
Okay.
only place I know to spend is Cresta. I don't know any other place to spend. The only place I know is my business.
Okay, business.
तो मुझे अगर किसी ने 1 लाख दिया तो मैं 1 लाख में एक टीवी खरीद लूंगा, एक प्रोजेक्टर खरीद लूंगा,
Okay.
कोई चेयर टेबल खरीद लूंगा.
Okay.
Now the catch is, it feels very that Sambhav is very passionate, but
Okay.
this is because of lack of financial understanding,
Okay.
and this is very, very prevalent in Indian society. There is zero financial literacy amongst students in the age of 18, 19, and 20.
Okay.
I'm very, very strongly proposing. I have spoken to university. I have spoken to multiple people across platforms that we need to start including financial literacy in school curriculum. Where up 7th standard se sikhao.
No, it more than financial literacy, it is financial common sense. What you're talking about, it's really great.
Common
What
sense.
we need,
Simple,
we need it.
Simple.
We need it.
Simple. You should know. So what we do in our college is we teach them how to save 500 rupees every month. So in 5 years, you will have at least 35,000-40,000 rupees with you.
Wow. Wow,
Simple.
wow. Great.
Then 500 के बदले आप 5,000 करो, उसका 50,000 करो, उसका 5 lakh करो. वो आपका choice है. But हम 500 से सिखाते हैं. And I have myself not learnt it. So I think this is like essential skill. Essential. I cannot even answer your question whether you should spend more or save more. Like it's a difficult question to answer for me.
Yes. No, wonderful. I do understand. What it is what you're thinking from in a startup point of view. I think your college is a great startup in itself because you're trying to solve problems. Basically, find out the problems, solve the problems. Wonderful, Shambhav. This was a great interaction. Coming to the conclusive part of our interview today, I do not want to end this, but we have to end this. Okay, what starts has to end. So, you speak about entrepreneurship, right? So, top 3 takeaways to everybody watching this as an entrepreneur from Sambhav Shah, Dil Se.
Only one takeaway, sir. Keep failing.
Keep failing.
Keep failing. So many times you have to fail that at one point, I still don't know if this is a success story. Correct? I still don't know if Cresta is a success story.
Yes.
And I'm okay with it.
Okay.
I'm okay with it. Like for me, this college will be a success story if it has 10,000 students and it has at least 5,000 students placed somewhere in the world where they are making a difference.
Yes.
Now, is that ever going to be possible in my life? I don't know.
Yes.
But I'm certain since I've started now,
Okay.
at one point I will realize whether it is possible or not.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
So
yes.
you have to keep doing that, sir. बस उतना ही है. आप 10 धंधा खोलो, चलेगा. लेकिन आप एक धंधे पे 10 साल निकाल दो सिर्फ सोचने में कि भाई धंधा खोलना है, नहीं खोलना है, करना है, नहीं करना है. That is not accepted. That is not accepted.
Knowing is not doing. Doing is knowing.
Knowing. Correct.
Okay,
Right.
wonderful.
Right. It's not, sir. I feel very sad. especially cities like Mysore, correct? Though I am from Mysore, and because I am from Mysore, I take the right of saying it, correct?
Yes.
You cannot hyperthink.
Okay.
Some things are simple. Starting a business is simple.
Okay.
Running a business is difficult.
Okay.
आप अगर स्टार्ट करने में ही इतना डिफिकल्टी लगा लोगे कि भाई दिमाग में इतना खिचड़ी पकाओगे, आप कब शुरू करोगे, आप कब चलाओगे और आप कब सक्सेसफुल या फेलियर स्टोरी बनोगे.
So this is the problem of analysis paralysis.
And it is too much. It is too much across the country. It is too much, and among students, it is even more.
Even more wonderful. And no, that is what you told is right. If they were educated right in their teenagers, like when they were in the 7th standard ke baad mein, if they were educated right, this would not have been a problem. Somebody has to take stand and create a change, and maybe you have given your statement, you have started walking your talk, and somewhere people might be and they will be inspired by what you're doing, Sambhav, and there will be a great change, that to creating ripple effects for generations to come. And thank you so much, Sambhav, for joining us with Power Talks with KM. As I told, what has started has come to an end, and so this interview has to end, even though we don't want it to.
Thank you for having me here.
So
I was, I should tell you, correct, how you've seen me, even I have seen you. And I was waiting for you to do something out of this box and interesting. Finally, I think you started with KM Talks, and I've seen some interviews, outstanding interviews. Like, I want to patronize, especially the aeroplane wala. I forgot. Sorry, I forgot the person's name.
Tapish Kivsara.
Tapish Kivsara. Like, that interview I watched, and I was like, shit, sky is the limit.
Sky is the limit.
अगर ऐसा धंधा कर सको तो क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में, correct? Like that, superb stuff.
Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for joining us. Keep waiting for the next episode. Go and see his college, okay? Go and see his college, visit his campus, and if you want to get enrolled, this guy is going awesome. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. Only ordinary people do extraordinary things. They become extraordinary only because you perceive that is an extraordinary.
You should rewind this and again do it.
So, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Sambhav.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.